Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 2nd April 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First off, we will take a look at what transpired for Nifty. The NSE index opened sharply lower today with over 2% losses being seen intraday before making a sharp recovery in the afternoon session, which resulted in a positive close. Nifty ended the day with gains of 0.15% or 33.70 points to close at 22,713.10. The gains today were mostly due to value buying and strength seen in the Indian rupee. Today's upward movement was led by stellar gains seen in the IT segment to the tune of 2.6%, with major players dominating the gainers list from the Nifty pack. After the positive close, supports can now be moved up to 22,630, followed by 22,470, while resistances can also be adjusted upwards to 22,900, followed by 23,115. Both resistance levels mentioned in today's pre-market report were broken through, and the momentum may carry over to Monday's open if geopolitical tensions subside in the interim. However, the chances of de-escalation seem slim given the recent rhetoric which points towards continuity in the current volatility. Nifty will be bullish only above 23,450, while bearish sentiment will dominate below 22,180. Next, let us take a look at the levels for Sensex. Sensex gained 0.25% to close higher by 185 points to end at 73,320. Only slight adjustments need to be made to the levels for Sensex, with supports being at 73,090, followed by 72,300, while resistances will be at 73,965, followed by 74,885. Bulls will take over only above 75,870, while bears, who are dominating currently, will intensify their attacks below 71,555. Now let us check out what happened for crude oil prices. With Trump hinting at further escalations over the next 2 to 3 weeks, coupled with Iran ready to extend this war with no hint of common ground being reached, volatility can be expected to continue to intensify at the energy counter. Further supply disruptions can be expected, with crude oil prices reaching higher highs in the near term as a result. On MCX, crude is currently trading above 10,000 per barrel as it blew past both resistances with relative ease. New supports will now be 9,900, followed by 9,625, which were resistances yesterday, while hurdles on the upside will now be at 10,140, followed by 10,580. Bullish sentiment, which currently prevails, will intensify above 10,580, while bears may take over only below 8,175. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in news today. Shares of V-Mart Retail Limited surged over 13% after a strong Q4 business update, with revenue rising 24% to 971 crore rupees. The company also reported 12% same-store sales growth and added 29 new stores, marking its highest annual expansion. Shares of Bansal Wire Industries Limited jumped around 10% after the company reported record Q4 sales volumes of 1,17,644 metric tons. Despite minor supply disruptions, full-year sales also showed strong growth, boosting investor sentiment. Shares of Bosch Limited gained about 12% over 2 sessions ahead of a key board meeting scheduled on April 8th. The company will consider a preferential equity share issuance, which has sparked optimism among investors. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.